respected sister, teachers and all my dear friends. My greetings to everybody present over here and thank you for giving your precious time. It is my proud privilege to speak about our great Indian leader as we are going to celebrate our 73rd Republic Day on 26th of January. Let us remember the work and sacrifices of our great Indian leaders. We all must know India celebrates Republic Day on 26th January as the Constitution of India came into existence on this day in 1950. Today, I am going to enlighten a great Indian woman who is none other than Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. She was the only daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Indira Priyadarshini was born on 19th November 1917 in Allahabad. Even as a young child, she involved in the freedom struggle of India. When she was just 13 years old, she had organized a Vanar Sena or monkey army and gathered number of school-going children to fight for the liberation of India from the British. She engaged herself in political activities along with her father. She served as president of the Indian National Congress Party in 1959 to 60. She became the Prime Minister of India on January 24, 1966 and remained on this post till 1977. She was an eminent lady. She made India a strong country. She fought with Pakistan in 1971 and this helped Bangladesh to become independent. She was awarded Bharat Ratna at this juncture. She was sometimes called the Iron Lady of Asia. She added new dynamism to international politics by strongly advocating the doctrine Garibi Hatao. She had to meet a tragic end. She was brutally assassinated by her own security guards on Wednesday 31st October 1984. The attack was well planned. She was killed by two of her bodyguards at her residence in New Delhi. Indira Gandhi had worked as Minister of Information and Broadcasting in Lal Bahadur Shastri government. She was the chairperson of the Central Social Welfare Board during 1953 and 1957. She was the most influential political leader of her time. She is truly an inspiration of every Indian woman. Jai Hind, thank you.